How to increase breast size naturally. Thanks for watching video like this, and please subscribe my channel for more information about health and beauty. Method 1. Giving your breasts a visual boost. Practice good posture. Boost to your butt line. Simply straighten up. Stand up straight, hold your head high, and draw your shoulders back. Keep your neck straight up and down. Don't let it slide forward. Push your chest out gently as you stand and walk. You may be surprised what a difference this simple trick has made. Wear tops with embellishments over the chest. Any sort of shirt with puffy, frilly, or ruffled material in the chest area can give the illusion that your breasts are larger than they actually are. The same effect can be achieved with well-worn scarves. Wear the correct bra size. Wearing a bra that is either too small or too large can leave your breasts appearing smaller than they actually are. Make sure you don't wear a big bra just to make your breast bigger, but wear a bra that allows your breast to lift. Use a padded or push-up bra. A good padded bra can add noticeable volume to your bust while also making your breasts look proper. Push-up bras, on the other hand, can add lots of lift to your breasts, giving the appearance of a larger, fuller bust. Avoid thin or tight bras. If you are concerned with your breast size, you may want to avoid wearing thin, lacy bras. You'll also want to avoid extra tight bras like sports bras. Don't stuff your bra. Using tissue or cloth to artificially add size to your breasts can be quite uncomfortable, especially if this extra material causes you to sweat or irritates your skin. Method 2. Using unverified naturopathic cures. Consider breast enlarging herbs. Some herbs that allegedly encourage breast growth are saw palmetto, fennel, cattle, wild bean, chase tree berry, black cohosh, fenugreek, curry, and Unverified. Look into unverified natural oils or creams. In addition to the herbal supplements that claim to enlarge breasts, many topical lotions, oils, and creams claim a similar effect. Try breast massage. Some sources claim that, by massaging the breasts with proper technique, it's possible to cause slight breast growth. Sometimes, these sources recommend the use of special oils, creams, or gadgets to encourage growth. Method 3. Diet and exercise. Build your pectoral muscles. It's a killer way to improve your breasts. Specifically, building the pectoral chest muscles underneath your breasts with regular strength training exercise can help improve the size, firmness, and puffiness of the overlying breast. Focus on your back and shoulder muscles. Strengthening your shoulder and back muscles can give your upper body a toned, firm appearance and make it easier to maintain pert, erect posture. Both of these can make your breasts appear bigger and more shapely. Don't worry about becoming bulky. It's a common myth that women can become bulky, muscle-bound, and unattractive from strength training exercise. In fact, it's almost impossible for women to get big, burly muscles without becoming professional bodybuilders or using steroids. Consider gaining weight if you are thin. If you are thin and have small breasts, putting on just a few extra pounds of fat can help fill out your breasts. Method 4. Getting bigger breasts from medications. Consider taking birth control. For women who want to prevent an unplanned pregnancy and, coincidentally, also desire larger breasts, birth control pills can be an effective solution for both problems, as breast growth is a common side effect of many hormone-based birth control pills. Look into estrogen therapy. Estrogen, a naturally occurring female sex hormone, can be prescribed to women for a variety of reasons. Side effects of estrogen include headaches, weight gain, a slight increase in the likelihood of breast. Get bigger breasts from your progesterone therapy. Like estrogen, progesterone can cause mild growth in the breasts. However, also like estrogen, progesterone is a serious medication and should not be taken merely to enlarge the breasts. Increase breast size with your SSRIs. Selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors, or SSRIs, are a common type of antidepressant which can cause moderate breast enlargement as a side effect. Never take SSRIs just to get bigger breasts. Besides breast enlargement, side effects of SSRIs include dry mouth, weight gain, drowsiness. Thanks for watching video like this, and please subscribe my channel for more information about